आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सिक्योर शेल। तो हम आज जानेंगे SSH माने सिक्योर शेल होता क्या है। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो, तो SSH is the one secure shell which is used to take the remote access. For example, if you are going to take this SSH session, then you can execute the command SSH space username at the server IP up, then you have to enter your password, then you will get the session. So via SSH you will, the communication between the two server, it will be in encrypted form, and the SSH by default the SSH port is the 22. Okay, then why SSH is important, let's see. So first of all, he is replaced as the telnet, because the telnet, whenever we use the telnet send the data in the plain text, and SSH, by using SSH the data will be shared in the encrypted format, that uh, that make sure, that ensure the secure communication and it's protect the data. Then SSH client server model. So what type of like how it is work. So let's see. First of all, client initiate the session, then server respond, then secure channel created between the two server, and then encrypted data would be transferred. Okay, then let's go how it is working, how SSHs work. First of all, the TCP connection will be established, then encryption, the encryption key will be exchanged by two server, like public and private key. It will, if they both match the their keys, then you will get the secure connection. Your secure connection will start. Okay, then what type of authentication SSH is used? Password authentication, public key authentication, private. Okay, password authentication and key authentication, there are two type of authentication SSH is used. Password authentication, where we enter the manual password by doing the SSH, and key authentication, where the two pair of keys are available. One is a public key and private key. When the both keys are successfully matched, then only our connection going to be established as a secure. And this, the key based connection is more secure than the password based connection. Okay, thank you.